Alrighty, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to, I'm going to show you how to go in and create your cover with using just your JPEG front cover. And in case you don't know, I am Sandra N. Peoples from SandraNPeoples.com. And so first of all, you're going to have to be on your KDP account, of course, in order to do that. And you sign in. So you're going to sign in there. And then you're going to choose the book that you want to create the cover for. So like, let's say I don't have a cover. Let's just do this one here. So we're going to go into you're going to go down to where it says paperback actions, and you're going to click continue setup. And of course I have to log in. So I thought I was logged in already. So once you log in, we've done all of this part here. I'm not publishing this book because I took the books down for editing. So like, let's go to, you're gonna go to where it says launch cover creator. That would be here. Yeah, this is the one I want to do again. So you go to launch cover creator. And so once you're inside of launch the cover creator, if you have your JPEG cover, you're going to choose the design here. You choose the design. And see this one right here where it says use with front cover image? That's the one that you're going to choose. It's that one. That way you have your front cover here already. So I would say choose this design. Now it's showing that just means the image. For some reason it's showing it's not 200. But anyway, so here is where you will upload your image. So it says click here to change the image. So all you would do is upload your image here. It'll tell you to upload the image over here. You would choose the image that you want to upload here. And then all you have to do is resize the image if you need to. If not, the image should be fine just as it is. And then you would have to do, like over here, you have to type all that stuff in yourself. And like I added my logo because in the template, it has where you can put your picture. So I uploaded my logo there. They put the barcode there, and they did this part here too. So I didn't have to worry about a spine or anything like that. So you just upload your cover here, and that's basically it. So to go back through the steps again, you choose the book that you're going to do this cover for. It has to be paperback. It's for the paperback version of the book. So you're going to click where it says launch cover creator. You click there. It's going to take you to these things where you can see I've already done this book, so that's why it has all this stuff. So you go and the first place where you would start at is choose a design. Now they have a lot of already formatted designs. I don't like any of them, so I like to make my own front cover image. That avoids you getting your cover rejected and all that stuff by Amazon because they will reject the cover. So you would say that you want to use your front cover image. So you would choose this design, and then you would go and the image that you want to add, you would click there. On a normal file, there wouldn't be any picture there. So then you would click over here to choose your image. Yours might say something different because I already have an image there, but over here is where you will find a place to upload the image. So you upload the image, and then here you would click here. This is where you would write what you want to be on the back of your book. So, like if you want to put a description about all the stories that are in your book or poems that are in your book or whatever, you would click there to write the description. Then here is where you can either have your author photo if you want your author photo on the back, or you can put your logo. Now, when you're done with all that, you would just hit save if you want. If you're done with it, or you can preview it if you want to see what it's going to look like. Um, if you want to see what it's going to look like when before they print it. So they're gonna save this for you, of course, and sometimes that might take a long time for them to do. But it's updating it now. I'm gonna pause this. Okay, so now they show you what your cover is gonna look like when it's all done. You can see if you like the way the wording looks. If you don't like the way this looks over here, you can always change the size of it. Like I don't. This isn't the cover that I would use now. But if I was going to redo this cover, I would probably make the wording smaller on the back and, line it up a little bit more and stuff. But that's just basically how you do it. It's really simple. And then once you're done, if you like the way it looks, if you don't like the way it looks, you can go back to style and edit. And that's where you change the size of the wording and all that. You just click on it and change it. And if you're happy with how that looks, then you click save and submit. And if you don't like anything, you always can click start over and you'll be done. And then that's that. So that is how you do that.